Welcome to the cable pull through. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that you set the cable up on the lowest position, and you're going to grab the rope and stand feet hip width apart. You take a few steps forward until you can feel that tension in the rope. And then you're going to push your glutes all the way back, almost as if you're trying to touch a wall with your bum. So you squeeze when you pull the rope forward, let the rope release all the way back. As you can see, my hands are sliding through between my legs. And then you're driving your hips forward. Squeeze your glutes really, really hard at the top and control the movement until you come back to starting position. The tension here is really important. So you want tension all the way at the top and all the way back. Make sure you're keeping those legs nice and straight. And let those glutes slide all the way back as if you're about to touch a wall with them. You inhale on the way down, you exhale and squeeze on the way up. This is one of my all-time favorite exercises to build strong glutes.